Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Noah, and if you're new here, please click that red subscribe button down below, and if you're not new here, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title of this video, we're going to be decluttering my closet because it's always a mess and it's not okay anymore. We're gonna do this together. I can't do it alone. Y'all need to help me. So I'm just gonna show you what it looks like before. So guys, this is what it's looking like. Then we have to go to this side. This is where I keep all my dresses, all my expensive like clothing and sneakers. I also have most of these things on Depop, so follow me on Depop. I really have to get rid of a few things. I don't wear almost everything that's in my closet, and I also have to, these are the clothes that I have to put away. So I have these right here. These are the sneakers and my little Crocs that I have to put away. And for the most part though, everything's pretty much away. I love that for me. My biggest task right now is just taking everything out and refolding. And then right here, this is my massage. I kind of want to like put it down, but I don't have enough room. I might move it to my other closet because this is just taking so much room. And yeah, so y'all finna watch me. I'm gonna speed this up. I'm gonna be watching The Office. If y'all like to binge watch and do your makeup, I'm finna throw on some music and y'all can watch me clean. Okay guys, I am now done. I still have two more piles of clothes, but one of them I'm just gonna put in the summer clothes because it is now winter, and the other I am selling, so make sure you check out my Depop so you guys can see everything on there. But let me just show you the final product. Y'all saw the before, and this is the after. And I like to fold my pants like this. It's just more neat for me. Love the colors, very coordinated or whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below how often you clean your closet. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at chanel.noel and push that bell button so you guys get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Bye guys, love you.